Alright, it's Jared here from Crypto Plan. How's everyone going? Oh yeah, is it that time? Is REEF going to break out of its range? This thing has been accumulating for so long. Well, not as long as Band Protocol, but it's been accumulating for a long time. Since the 11th of February, it tried to break 56 cents. Then again, on the 14th of March, it tried to break it again. Then it had a really weak attempt on the 17th of April. And today, on high volume, it is trying. Look at this volume. Big volume spike there. It is trying to break out. But like this video if you want these kind of quick time updates, and subscribe if you're new. REEF could be the day. Now the thing is, it's pumped 30% today. Like, if that's the breakout pump, this thing is going to fly. And now, like I say, I'm transparent. I got out of my REEF position accidentally and consolidated into Pancake, and I'm happy with that because Pancake's had a good run. But I thought I'd keep you all updated because there's still people that watch this channel that hold REEF. And I want to keep you updated because this could be that exciting day for you that have all been holding and being patient. And that's the thing about crypto. It's all about patience, right? So let's just have a quick look around at what's happening. I mean, we've got this big volume base here of 38 cents, and we know that was a good accumulation base. You know, that was a good point. And if it could stay above there, we're happy. It was going to bounce off it. Today it has, on high volume, somebody's coming in and buying this thing. It's not even like they're buying a dip. I think finally all the sellers are shaken out. This is what happens in chart. Finally all the sellers are shaken out. This last, I'm on an 8-hour candle. You can see this last candle's got quite a big wick. People are still selling out that very top. You know, the ones that bought up here, they're still getting out of there. You know, they're happy to, cut their losses, I guess. But once it breaks 60 cents, this thing is going to fly. Like when you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 good attempts to break out of a range. Eventually you've got to break out of it, right? So that's what we're looking at. It could be REEF's day in the sun. And I just get this feeling around the market that things aren't reacting to the dips in Bitcoin as much as they used to. You've got One Harmony that's pretty much just static. It's not even reacting at all. It's just kind of in a stable range. A lot of things around there that, are only fluctuating within a range a little bit with Bitcoin. They're definitely not taking the big hits when Bitcoin drops 5% and they're dropping 15%. So I think the altcoin market is ready to fire, and we're going to start seeing some of these breakouts of these ranges because we've been very sideways for a long time, and REEF could be that leader, that leader of the way. I definitely would love to see Band Protocol break out, and I'd love to see Orc ID break out as well. But I guess if REEF's got to lead the way, then REEF can lead the way, all right? And keep on doing it. So big volume. What have we got down here on the RSI? Since 20th of April, we've had an uptrend in the RSI. So that's a good thing if we keep bouncing along that line. And what are we looking? By the 20th of May, if we're in that bull zone and firing up there, we could see some large moves in REEF, So I think, if we're looking to kind of double this move back here, what were we looking at? Just to remind ourselves, where was our price target for REEF? If we look at kind of doubling that move, where would we land? So yeah, up to that 26 cent level, that would be kind of a really good run. But that would be the run that we'd be looking for if we wanted to kind of do that move, do a big consolidation, and then repeat it again. We could go further. We could kind of pull up slightly shy, but I think 20 to 25 cents is a good target to be having in the back of your mind. If you have been holding for a long time and your cost base is around the 3.5 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents even, be a good kind of take profit point, good point to tap yourself on the shoulder and say, well done, you held through it while everything else was pumping. I kept on doing it. Let's go to the daily chart. Same deal again. We've got an uptrend in the RSI, so it's all looking good there. 3-day chart, you know, this kind of gives you a better picture when you zoom out a bit more, and you can just kind of see there's a bit of a bowl happened, you know. So there's been a clear reversal there on the 20th of April, you know. So that was our last low, you know, the last good real dip buying opportunity there on the 22nd of April, and all around the 22nd of April. And like I say, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the 5th attempt on that 3-day chart to really break out of this range, you know. And you can see on the 3-day chart, you haven't had a candle close above 50. So to get this candle close on the 3-day chart above 50, and now I think we'll go to the weekly chart, same deal again. If we could get this weekly close, and I know that the week's in 5 days, but you know, if we can really break through and close the week above 5 cents, sorry, we're going to be doing really well. Really well. So we've got an uptrend, you know, all the way out to a 3-day chart in the RSI on this particular Binance chart anyway. So good volume coming in even on the 3-day chart for the last 6 days, which is good. So happy days for REEF. Well done to all the holders, and yeah, let's just see this thing fire to the upside and open the floodgates for a lot of these lower market cap, newer DeFi altcoins. I'd love to see them all just go crazy. Anyway, I've been Jared. This has been Crypto Plan. Please like the video, please subscribe, and please click that notification bell because it helps me out so much. And go REEF.